everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I don't usually do haul videos because if you're like me, you hate to watch hauls because they entice you to buy things, but in this case, I think it's okay. I just went to Cobblestone Creek, a cute little store located in Damascus, Oregon. As you know, I travel in my RV, and we were in Oregon, and I got to meet a crafty friend, Michelle Allen, who is also on also known as Creative Operation. I'll post the picture. And anyhow, we went and had lunch, and then we went to Cobblestone Creek. So let me show you a couple of things that I got. First of all, look at this gorgeous paper. This is from Paper Rose. This one is called, it's from the Botanical Blooms collection, and I just got a couple of them. This is A, that's C, that's D. The back side is this and that and that. And you know, I've been trying to use up my stash, but I also am trying to use up some extra things I purchased, and I have some extra journals that I have that I wanted to cover. So I thought these would make gorgeous journal covers. So stay tuned for a project using these. I also picked up, as far as paper, this, which is S'mores, Please, from Catherine Pooler. I have some fun stamps for camping that I'll probably use with this, but it also could make a cute little album. So that was something else that I thought. You know, it's got some words, it's got s'mores, check print, a lantern, trees, another print, tents, and print marks. So anyhow, I loved this for the features it had and the fact that it will work with things I already have in my collection. Another thing I picked up was this set of stamps and dies from Pink Fresh Studios. I've been making cards for different groups, and sometimes if you're sending cards to kids in hospitals, they don't want you to send, get well soon or that kind of thing. So I thought these would be wonderful, like celebrating you, you're amazing, just a note, hey friend, life is beautiful and so are you. And then the couple others, thanks a bunch, beyond happy for you, friends like you, or everything. So the sentiments are fabulous and the font on here is wonderful. So I thought that would be fun to use. In that same vein, I also picked up this set from Fawn. It's a Halloween set, and it is Fantastic Friends add-on. I think this came out last year, or maybe even 2 years ago. I liked this that says, have a very happy day, and that's actually what attracted me to it, but the cute little bats are not ugly. So I will be happy to make something with that. Um, and this is cute, the banner to say have a happy day. And then that also comes with the dies. A lot of hers, if not all of her stamp sets, have the dies attached, so you don't have to go hunting around for that. So I thought that would be fun to do something with as well. Another thing that I saw was this Spellbinders Smile and Hello dies. They're the perfect size for the cards that I want to make. Again, when I'm making cards for donations, something fairly generic, but I love the fonts of this. So I thought I would pick that up. Now here's a couple things that I've been wanting to get and haven't picked it up yet, but these are, and it's hard to see. Let me open this up. This one is called Cloudy Stencil. It is a four-sided stencil. It opens up here. So it's just a stencil with different clouds on it, and they're different, so you'll get different looks for each of the sides. But I've been saying, you know what, I'll just make one on my Cricut or something like that. I haven't done it, so I just decided I saw it and I purchased it. And then this is a grass stencil. So this is called Slimline Grassy Stencil. So obviously it'll work for slimlines, but it'll work for smaller cards. It also includes the half-inch square grid marks, for easy alignment. I'm sure that's important. I picked up some foam strips for making shaker cards. These are black in 0.12 of an inch. And I picked up some distress ink. I needed a green and a blue for skies and grass, so that'll work with the stencils. I've needed it for a while, so even if I hadn't gotten the stencils, I would have picked that up. And then here is some black soot and villainous potion. I wonder if you can tell what direction I'm going to go in with that. Can you say fun but scary bats? So I have those. And then a couple other things. This is from Pink Fresh. It is book rings. So we have two of the small, I guess they're 1 inch. It looks like 1 inch in green, two in the pink, two in the light blue, and two in a yellow, which is a pretty color. And I've had some projects in mind that would use rings. And it's nice to be able to use something away from that normal silver. So look for projects coming up soon using that. And then last but not least, this was the first thing that I picked up. These are little handles for when you're doing embossing, so it will hold your things and the handles won't get hot, so you can emboss. I'm sure it will hold this if it wasn't so heavy. So you can emboss with your heat gun and not burn your fingers. I'm using tweezers now and they get hot, so I thought this would be a good purchase. So that's a couple of things that I picked up from Cobblestone Creek. Go in and say hi to Leslie Rodriguez. She is the owner there, such a sweet girl, and the store is jam-packed with lots of crafty goodness, so you can't go wrong. That's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous